Hello, everyone. Picture this. It's January 1st, and you've set a goal to hit the gym every day for the next year. Fast forward a month, and you're feeling burned out and unmotivated. Sound familiar? We've all been there, setting ambitious goals only to find them slipping through our fingers. Today, we're going to discuss this common problem by learning how to set realistic goals that we can actually achieve, setting ourselves up for success and sustained motivation. By the end of this lecture, you'll be able to understand the importance of setting realistic goals, identify the components of a realistic goal, implement strategies to set and achieve your goals. Let's start by understanding why setting realistic goals is so important. Importance of setting realistic goals. Building confidence and motivation. Setting realistic goals helps build confidence and motivation. When you achieve a goal, it boosts your self-esteem and encourages you to set and pursue new ones. Example, the New Year's resolution. Consider Stephanie, who set a New Year's resolution to run a marathon within 3 months, despite not having any running experience. When she couldn't achieve it, she felt discouraged and gave up on running altogether. A more realistic goal, like running a 5K within 3 months, would have been more achievable and motivating, ensuring progress and success. Realistic goals ensure steady progress and increase the likelihood of success. They provide a clear direction and manageable steps, preventing feelings of overwhelm and burnout. Story, the student's study plan. Edward, a talented student, set a goal to study for 5 hours every day. He soon found it unsustainable and started skipping study sessions. After adjusting his goal to 2 hours of focused study daily, he was able to stick to his plan consistently and improve his grades. Components of a realistic goal. SMART criteria. A realistic goal typically follows the SMART criteria. Specific, clearly defined and unambiguous. Measurable, includes criteria to track progress. Achievable, attainable and not impossible to accomplish. Relevant, aligned with broader objectives and values. Time-bound, has a deadline or time frame. Analogy, the road map. Think of your goal as a destination. The SMART criteria act as a road map, guiding you step by step toward your destination. Without this map, you might take wrong turns or get lost along the way. Breaking down goals. Large goals can often feel overwhelming. Breaking them down into smaller, manageable tasks makes them more approachable and easier to accomplish. Example, the research paper. Emma had to write a 30-page research paper. Instead of trying to tackle it all at once, she broke it down into smaller tasks. Conducting research, creating an outline, writing one section at a time, and revising. This approach made the project less daunting and more manageable. Strategies to set and achieve your goals. Start with self-assessment. Begin by assessing your strengths, weaknesses, time, and resources. Understanding your capabilities and limitations helps you set goals that are both challenging and attainable. Story, the fitness journey. Ryan wanted to improve his fitness. He started by assessing his current fitness level and identifying areas for improvement. This helped him set realistic goals, like increasing his running distance gradually and incorporating strength training into his routine. Prioritize and focus. Identify the most important goals that align with your values and priorities. Focus on a few key goals at a time to avoid spreading yourself too thin. Example, the career ladder. Amanda, a young professional, had multiple career goals. She prioritized getting a certification relevant to her field first, knowing it would provide immediate benefits. After achieving that, she moved on to her next goal of taking on a leadership role. Monitor progress and adjust. Regularly review your progress and be open to adjusting your goals if necessary. Flexibility is key to staying on track and adapting to any changes or challenges that arise. Analogy, the sailboat. Imagine your goal is like sailing to a distant island. You need to adjust your sails and course based on the wind and weather conditions. Similarly, adjusting your goals and plans based on your progress and circumstances ensures you stay on course. Seek support and accountability. Share your goals with friends, family, supervisors, or mentors who can provide support and hold you accountable. Their encouragement and feedback can be invaluable in keeping you motivated and focused. Story: the study group. Jane joined a study group to prepare for her final exams. The group's support and regular meetings kept her accountable and motivated, helping her achieve her goal of improving her grades. Assignment: organize a treasure hunt with clues that lead you to different locations or activities representing your digital detox goals. Share photos and stories from your treasure hunt with your friends and families.